There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really.
Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to another video. Today is the 5th of September 2022. School has been reopened. Today third day. Today's the third day since last week Thursday, since the 1st of September. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick update on what has been happening since we came back from our vacation. And all three of my babies are off to school. Thank God. And I'm here as usual, walking Ola, give Ola her morning walk. Nobody but me and God out here today. Everybody gonna work, gonna school. I'm working today, but in the afternoon. So I have some free time on my hand. Anyway, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Tell a friend to come over to watch Moy and Matt French Jamaican family. Okay, y'all, give your girl some support. Help me reach to 100 now. Help me get to 1.5k. Anyway, let's get right into the video. The water on the lake gone down now. It's a bit overcast today. We have been getting some rain these past days. We have been back from vacation for quite a while now, but I was busy at work. And if you guys know me, then you know that during this time I work, or during the school holidays I work really long hours, so I haven't been able to record a video for y'all. But now I'm back. I'm back. Anyway, guys, as I was saying, I'm here to give a quick update on what's happening. Well, Jemoy is in grade 4. Yeah, flyer man, I'm flying a stop pitch by my hand. Maya is in grade 2. And Alex is going to like pre-university, or yeah, Alex are doing things. Mommy and daddy, Matt and Mara, or back at work, like whenever they. But yeah, but that's what's happening in our lives right now. And today in this video, I'm just going to take you along with me in whatever I do, or whatever happened today. You guys will be a part of it. So if I'm cooking or cleaning or even going to work while I'm going to work, I'll be taking you guys along with me so that you guys have an idea of what my day is like, or what a day in my life is like. Anyway, stick around. Ali go, James. Alala, wish you had tried to.
Huh?
No, Maya?
Really?
We Jamar go.
Yes.
And my babies are off to school. It is now 7:14 in the morning. I stopped vlogging yesterday. So I only vlogged the intro yesterday because I didn't want the clippings of my kids going to school. So I just got clippings of my kids going to school. Alex already left, so you guys won't be seeing Alex. But anyway, I'm on my way to work. It's a little bit fresh here in the morning. So come on, let me wanna go work together. One grape tree the right there, so the grape then sweet. And morning time I stop and pick a few grapes. See them there? But I just brush my teeth, so I now pick one now. I wait until I come back. The teeth in grape them. So I bought this coconut a few days ago and say I'm going to make a coconut toto. Coconut toto, I can't make it one toto. So here goes. I'm gonna try to crack the coconut now and see if it's good. It's tough, oh my god. Let me start the water. So open good. I'm gonna try and shell it out now. Yay, good. It's good. A long time I buy one coconut are good. Alright, let's get into the process. So this piece want to crack open a bit more. Look at this open a bit more. So here I just finished blending out my coconut. My blender I get a little trouble, so you couldn't get to see that. So I just done blend out my coconut, and now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So I finished mix up everything and dash it in the oven. So now I wait for about 45 minutes and then I come back and check on. I just take it out of the oven a while ago. You can see the texture a little bit. I'm gonna make it cool off. Bite tonight, tomorrow morning for breakfast. So the toto done, I'm gonna start diving it from about same time because it was warm. So this is what left of the toto. Nice, I see people. Nice can done. Baked potato and pork for dinner tonight. This vlog I do it in many pieces. So this is which day? Today is Thursday. I'm on my way going to work. A piece of rain fall last night, I see people. Oh god man, last night about 12 o'clock, the amount of lightning and thunder. The amount of lightning and thunder. And I believe I got a company world. But anyway, we survived that. This man wake up. Everywhere wet and slappy. When I say slappy, I don't really mean slappy weather, because we haven't had rain in almost a year. But no mud not there, as you can see. No mud, but the place slappy for me. Anyway, hope you guys remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And tell your auntie, uncle, cousin, friend, boyfriend, girlfriend, grandma, grandpa, everybody to come and subscribe and watch the moy&matt French Jamaican family. Anyway, bye guys. Hope you enjoy this video. I don't know if this is the last part. Anyway, we have one more day in this school week for come and enjoy my Maya right gun in front of me. Yeah, take a little time of walk. And the place really getting chilly. I'm having a long sleeve blouse plus a little sweater, even though I have on sneakers. But What I go on from what I go on this morning. Anyway, catch you later. I did change my bag just now. Hence why I'm a bit late. Because she have her water bottle in her bag. She have compartment in her bag to put her water bottle. She take her bag, the water bottle put inside of the bag. Turn over, the water bottle turn over. So the whole of the bag and the book them wet up. Yeah, as I made that say, the whole of the bag and the book them wet up. And I have to change her bag, give her this bag. Try to make can drop the book them a little bit with the iron. So now we're off to school. Come on, my darling. Come cross the road and come. Come, 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 come. Go, my love. It is now Friday, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and comment down below. What I call that something yeah? With a pig, don't you? With a pig. So I do my nails them. I have a bag of things that come up this weekend. Fake or real. What they look like. Anyway, do the right thing, people. Subscribe, comment, share, and turn on that post notification bell. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.